Hi, welcome back. Chris here at Keystone Lawn and Tree Care in Spokane, Washington. We're going to talk about how to make more money by losing clients. What? Stay tuned and you'll find out how. You heard me right. By cutting clients, you can make more money. Well, why? Well, because we're going to have to raise our rates, and some of the clients are going to drop off and quit. Yeah, kind of a bummer, but you're going to be charging more money, so you'll make it up on the other end. So don't be a jerk and just raise your rates. You're probably going to want to call them or at least send them an email or something, a letter in the mail, letting them know that you're going to increase rates by, say, $5, from $45, say, to $50. So you're not going to want to blindside them on their first bill and just have it be more expensive. You're going to want to give kind of a preemptive strike, let them know that they're a valuable customer and you like them and yada yada. But unfortunately, you're going to have to raise their rates, and due to overhead costs, minimum wage going up, whatever. And so be nice, try to save them if you can, but if you can't, no big loss. Let's take a look at a spreadsheet and figure out how the math works and how by losing customers, you can actually make more money.
Okay, let's look at our spreadsheet. We have 100 clients at our old rate of $45 per mow times 4 weeks in a month gives us our original dollar amount of $18,000 per month. We're going to raise the rates. Say we keep all 100 clients at $50 times 4 weeks gives us a pay increase of $2,000 to $20,000. That's great. But let's say 10 clients cancel. $5 increase is just too much. So we got 90 clients now at the new rate of $50 times 4 weeks gives us $18,000. That's the same amount as we started with. So we're breaking even. But I added $600. Where did the $600 come from? It came from payroll. Payroll saved. 2 men times $15 an hour times 5 hours gives us a savings of $150 times 4 weeks is $600 saved in payroll. We're making the same amount, $18,000 with 90 clients, but now we're saving $600 in payroll. We actually just gave ourselves a pay increase of $600 by cutting 10 clients with the new rate. That's fantastic. I mean, this is great news. You're thinking, Chris, this isn't great news. We're losing customers. No, not really, because now you're charging them at the new rate of $50 and you're saving money on payroll. Let's keep going down. Let's say you lost 20 clients. So you have 80 clients now at the new rate of $50 times 4 weeks. That gives you a pay cut of $2,000 down to $16,000. But again, we're going to save some money on payroll. 2 men, $15 an hour times 9 hours in a day is $270 times 4 weeks. We are saving ourselves just over $1,000 in payroll. Adding the $16,000 plus the payroll saved gives us a total of $17,080, which is a net loss of 20 bucks. 20 bucks, and we lost 20 clients. And this is actually really good news, you guys, because now you say you have 20 positions to fill in your roster at the new rate of $50. You guys are going to make a killing. So you have a whole day to fill with clients at the new rate of $50. This is great news. You lost 20 clients, big deal. Now you've got great news that you can go out and charge people more money and fill your roster with higher paying clients. You just are about to make a bunch more money.
There you have it. Clear as day, right on the spreadsheet. By losing 20 clients, you only lose like 20 bucks at the new rate, and then you can just fill that empty roster that whole day with new clients with the new rate, in turn making even more money. That's great. That's great news. I never thought I'd be making a video about how losing customers is going to make you more money, but it can, and it can for you too. So if you got anything out of this video, you guys got to subscribe, you got to hit the old like button, and leave me a comment below so I can keep making videos like this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.